This is a quick video to have a glance at the top AI platforms of today in terms of generative AI. Just to recap, generative AI simply means that it's a type of artificial intelligence which generates media such as text, images, videos, audio, and other media in response to the prompts. The better your prompts will be, the better data generation or media generation will be. Also, these generative AI tools work on large language models which get trained on huge data sets. Okay, so now you know what generative AI is. L- Let's have a quick look at what are the top AI platforms for the different media in terms of generative AI or Gen AI. For the text, we all know ChatGPT is the leader for now, of course, from OpenAI, and the latest and greatest ChatGPT's version is the ChatGPT 4, which is OpenAI's most advanced system. Then we have another one which is catching up, but still a bit far. It is Notion AI, and it is basically a connected assistant which produces the text responses. Have a look at it, but I believe that GPT is still far away. Then we have image. In this, my favorite one is the Stable Diffusion. This is from Stability.ai. It's a deep learning text to image model. Image creator is from Microsoft, and then we have Midjourney. Midjourney is cool too, but still I think it lacks quite a lot of feature. Whereas image creator is catching up fast, but still a long way to go. For the video, my favorite is Flicky. Runway is also good because it's a multi-model AI system, but Flicky is more user intuitive and easy to use. Wonder from Wonder Studio is also good because it animates lights and composes CD characters, but still I think it seems a bit limited. I guess its LLM is still under training, and as the dataset grows, I think this will improve too. For audio, we have different platforms out there. The most common one is Music LM from Google, and then we have Jukebox, and there is a neck to neck competition between these two because OpenAI's algorithm seems a bit more advanced, and it's actually seems like a bit mature neural net, and its generated media looks more closer to the reality, whereas Google's Music LM looks good too, really good, but there is still it feels something is lacking. And then we have text to speech from Azure, still rudimentary. I'm not sure if it would ever catch up or not. Then we have 3D media. In 3D media, I would say that I found out that NVIDIA is looks better than the rest of them, even better than Point E from OpenAI. But I believe the way OpenAI is going, Point E might surpass it in few months. For the coding, well, for coding there are a lot of them. For me, the personal favorite is um, Copilot from GitHub. Really cool, and especially if you integrate it with the pipelines, it really works like a charm. And growing a lot because it has a huge data set to train on. So I believe that for now, Copilot um, looks in the lead. Codex from OpenAI, as usual, it is from OpenAI, and they seems to have a superior algorithm behind the scenes, so it looks good. Whereas AWS has also just released Code Whisperer for general availability and looks good, but still a long way to go. And it seems that AWS is still doing some patchwork. So, and but having said that, there are a lot of things which are happening, especially in the coding sphere. For example, there are some plugins available for Visual Studio Code, which is the most popular and open uh, source code editor out there. I was testing one called as Cody, and I also have a video about it in my on my channel. So please search and find out, and I will also put a link to it in the video's description. I hope this was useful. If you think that I have missed any top media tool um, in terms of AI platform, please put them in the comments. Thank you.